How many of you have purposely ignored your vehicle's check engine light before? We can ignore the check engine light on our cars, but we can't ignore it on our personal health. Hello, my name is Robert Rodriguez, and today I will talk about the topic of self-care. Self-care is important for a healthy lifestyle, especially during these times. I will be talking about my experience with this value. I'll be discussing how self-care was important in my military career, how it is important to my student life, and how it is important to my physical health. First, how I applied self-care in my military career. The importance of self-care during my military career has helped me cope with a high-stress work life. During my time as a sergeant in the Army, I regularly had 13 to 16-hour days and had to learn to leave my work life at work when I came home. This allowed me to enjoy my time at home and focus on other things. Finding healthy outlets and hobbies for a high-stress workplace were important for my self-care. I actively went to the gym and planned activities with friends to balance my lifestyle. I was able to use self-care to balance my lifestyle, and this helped me serve with much recognition during my service. It also kept me sane. Now that I have talked about self-care in my military career, I'll be discussing how it is important in my student life and in my physical health. Next, I will talk about self-care in my student life. As a student, self-care is important to prevent burnout. As students, we need to take breaks and plan for success. This is another form of self-care. I plan my assignment schedule and give myself ample time to complete them. This decreases my stress levels and simplifies my study habits. We also must not overburden ourselves with too many classes when our outside lives become too hectic. I've seen that sometimes taking a break or reducing my class schedule can help me stay committed to my academic goals. My adherence to self-care as a student has helped keep me on track to graduate in 2 years and continue my education at a higher institution. After discussing self-care in my military career and student life, I will lastly talk about its importance in my physical health. Lastly, there is no better time to talk about self-care on our physical health than right now. With the current coronavirus outbreak, our physical health is more important than ever. Washing our hands for 20 seconds, disinfecting surfaces, and social distancing are all part of taking care of ourselves. We help reduce the impact of the virus on ourselves and on others around us. Maintaining healthy sleep cycles and a healthy diet are also very important to my physical health. They ensure I'm in the best physical state to combat the virus or any other obstacles life throws at me. I'm happy to say my health is in top quality because of my physical self-care routines. My purpose has been to discuss the value of self-care and how it is important in my life. In discussing my value for self-care, I have talked about the following: the importance of self-care in my military career, in my student life, and my physical health. American actress Jada Smith said something that really wraps this up. She said, "Don't take your health for granted. Don't take your body for granted. Do something today that communicates to your body that you desire to care for it. Tomorrow is not promised." This concludes my presentation on self-care. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.